Sometimes you need a different version of the Unreal Engine. Here we're going to go ahead and open the Epic Games Launcher. I have Unreal Engine 5.6.0. For using virtual production, I need Unreal version 5.5.4. I can install an earlier version of Unreal Engine by going to Library, clicking on Engine Versions. So right here it says install a new version of the Unreal Engine. I'll click this version, and then I want to select which version I want. In this particular case, it happened to pick 5.5.4. That's the version I want, but if you needed a different version, select it from the dropdown. Then I'll go ahead and click Install. You need to re-accept the Unreal licensing terms because they may be different depending on which Unreal version you're using. Click Accept. Say that you agree. Accept. The default location is likely the best location for this, and then go ahead and click Install. This will initialize the install and then go ahead and install the previous version of Unreal. Often you might have different projects that run on different versions of Unreal, and when you launch the Unreal Engine, you can go ahead and decide which version you're going to launch. Once you've finished installing the previous version of Unreal Engine, you can click Launch. You can do it from right here in the engine versions, or you can do it in the dropdown and select which version you want to launch. I'll click Launch here. Then Unreal Engine will launch that particular version. You can see down in the projects that each version will have a little icon to tell you which one it is. Now I'm in my Unreal project browser. I can look at my recent projects, or I can select Games. I want to select Games and then create a blank project. The project defaults are fine, and I can label my project. I'm going to call it Unreal Render Stream, and then I'll create the project. Unreal Engine will then launch and compile any of the needed shaders. Hopefully this allows you to install a previous version of the Unreal Engine.